How do you turn on a 4K camera on your iPhone 13, 14, whichever model supports it? Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you open up your camera app. In iOS 26 we got a little bit of a redesign, but that is what it looks like. Just switch to the video mode, and in the top left we have the controller for the frame rate as well as resolution. So right there you have to select it and essentially pick the 4K over HD. And the resolution is up to you. I personally go with the 30 FPS. 60 is smoother, but it takes up a lot more storage. And a 24 is for, like cinematic purposes. And I quite like the 30 FPS more. So that's how I can make sure that the 4K camera is like on and that I'm capturing 4K videos. When it comes to 4K photos, well, I can also make sure I do that. Like inside of my Photos app, I can always check out the pictures and swipe up on it to see in which resolution I'm capturing, right? But if you want to change the settings for capturing photos and make sure that is in 4K, open up the settings, go to the camera mode, and find the formats. And you want to make sure you are in the high efficiency, and you have the photo mode option below. As I said, it depends on your model slightly, so different iPhones have different camera lenses and different hardware, so just make sure you work with your options. But I would just bump it up as much as I can if I want to make sure I have like better or higher resolution photos. So I would switch to the 24 megapixel over 12, right? So that is something which I would do. And one more thing though, to come back to the videos, since we are inside of the settings, you can see we have the record video option in here as well, and this is essentially the default setting for capturing videos. And if you want to make sure it is in 4K all the time, you can also select it right here, so every time you go to the video mode it will default to these settings for the video capturing. So I hope it all makes sense. In case that there are some more questions you might have, let me know about them below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it later, but for now that's gonna be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.